Hyunsi.
The United Democratic Party is upbeat about adding the Sohiong seat to increase its tally of 11 when the results are declared on May 13th. While addressing an election rally at Rangshken on Monday, UDP President Medba Lyngdoh said that the people of Sohiong constituency know better whom to elect in this election. According to Lyngdoh, as leaders of the party, they will come and make many promises. The UDP chief, however, observed that it is the candidate whom the people will elect will continue to work with them for the coming 5 years. Meanwhile, UDP candidate and former MLA late HDR Lyngdoh's nephew Sinchar Kupar Roy Lyngdoh said that the development which the constituency had witnessed so far is the efforts of his late uncle.
Haga party, habudam jaga simbol jaga bom. Barha khalai derek, yegini umat bangila jauh. Ila kwa palar dan perkelano sigi umat jong kejikimen. Ki umat ki jong yingi kwa dan perkelano samol mai khalai derek. Dengan kajin job, pi penjob yang anai pi long ko penjob ni mahya dan SDA Lyngdoh bam kwa hadwar blay. Inka kerteng sakanam. Bat kajing job ko jong anoi pi kadei kajing job phi pai pa jog Sohiong ko sursi.